Hey, welcome to the channel, Small Slice of America. I want to show you folks a little trick I learned all the way back in 1979 from a phenomenal Moto Guzzi mechanic named Gino Rossi. Don't know if the guy's still kicking about or not, but he showed me and my older brother this neat little trick about putting hand grips on, whether they're rubber hand grips, whether they're foam grips going over factory rubber hand grips. But I already tried it out and it works, so as you all know, is what you do is you take off the end cap, like so. Set that aside. Now, mind you, no nasty hand sanitizer, no lubricants of anything. All you need is a little bit of compressed air. Just work it on over the end of the hand grip as usual. Get your handy dandy compressor. Just work it in. Don't mind a lot of noise. And done. You don't even need nasty hand sanitizer or any other type of lubricant. Took less than a minute to put on. Hope that helps you folks out, especially if you don't like using hand sanitizer on your rubber grips, which actually makes them decrode after a while or erode. All right, peace.